In our previous video, we have learned about plant tissue, and in this video, we are going to learn about animal tissue. Animal tissue can be epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous tissue. So first we will move towards epithelial tissue, the covering or protective tissue in the animal body are epithelial tissues. It forms a barrier to keep different body systems separate. The skin, the skin, the lining of mouth, the lining of blood vessels, lungs, alveoli, and kidney tubules are all made up of epithelial tissue. Epithelial play an important role in regulating the exchange of material between the body and extant environment, and also between different parts of body. Vessels or lungs, alveoli, where transportation of substance occur through a selectively permeable surface. There is a simple flat kind of epithelium. This is called simple squamous epithelium. Simple squamous epithelial cells are extremely thin and flat from a delicate lining. The skin which protects the body is also made up of squamous epithelium. To prevent wear and tear, there are some other epithelium called stratified squamous epithelium. They they occur absorption and secretion of task. Cilia can be moved and their movement pushes the mucus forward to clear it. This type of epithelium is thus called ciliated columnar epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium forms the lining of kidney tubules and the ducts of salivary gland, where it protects the mechanical support. Then we will move towards connective tissue. Blood is a type of connective tissue. The cells of connective tissue are loosely spaced and embedded in a intermolecular matrix. The matrix may be jelly-like fluid, dense, or rigid. The nature of matrix differs in co- coordinates with the function of particular connective tissue. Bone is another example of connective tissue. It also ensures the muscle and supports the main organs of the body. It is strong and not flexible tissue. Bones cells are embedded in a hard matrix that is composed of calcium and phosphorus compounds. Two bones can be connected to each other by another type of connective tissue called ligament. Tendons connect muscles to bones and another type of connective tissue. Then type of connective tissue is cartilage, has widely spaced cells. Cartilage smoothens bone surfaces at joints and is also present in nose, ear, trachea, and larynx. Areolar connective tissue is found between the skin and the muscles around blood vessels and nerves in our bone marrow. Then we will move towards muscular tissue. Muscular tissue consists of elongated cells are called muscle fibers. This tissue is responsible for movement in our body. Muscles contain special proteins called contractile proteins. Muscles present in our limbs move when we want to move them. This is uh, this is because of voluntary muscles. These muscles are called skeletal as they are mostly attached to the bones and help in body movements. The muscles of heart show rhythmic contraction and relaxation throughout life. These involuntary muscles are called cardiac muscles. Then we will move towards nervous tissue. Nervous tissue are highly specialized for being stimulated and the transmitting the stimulus very rapidly. The cells of this tissue are called nerve cells or neurons. Usually each neuron has a single long part called the axon and many short branched parts called dendrites. So this is all about animal tissue. Please friends like and subscribe my video.